Welcome to our tutorial on the latest 2023 update for WhatsApp. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to remove your status from WhatsApp, enabling you to manage your profile and privacy with ease. Open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version installed to access the most recent features. Tap on the Statuses tab in the bottom menu bar. This will display all the status updates, including your own. Locate and select your current status update that you wish to remove from the list. Once opened, you'll find an option, likely labeled Delete or Remove, depending on the new 2023 update. Upon selecting the Delete or Remove option, you'll be prompted to confirm the action. Confirm the deletion to remove the status from your profile. Return to the Statuses tab to ensure your status has been successfully removed from the list. Congratulations! You've successfully removed your status from WhatsApp in the latest 2023 update, offering you better control over your profile's content. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing the video.